If you're following along, go ahead and open up listdividers.html from your working files directory. In this lesson, we'll be talking about adding dividers to lists. jQuery Mobile makes this fairly easy. Let's go ahead and add a divider between these search engines and these retail outlets. We'll add an li, and inside of that li, we'll set data role equal to list divider. If we hop back over here and refresh, now we have a nice little list divider. Now you can actually add a title into this list divider. For example, you can call this retail. And then if you want, up here, you can add another list item. We'll set this one to have a data role equal to list divider. And we'll set this to search engines. We go and refresh. Now we have nice little headers. Now they're not actually headers, but they kind of behave almost like headers. At least they serve to divide up our list into sections. There's no limit to how many list dividers you can put, and there's certainly also no limit as to how many list items you can put in the entire list view. And it's simply because we often have a lot of elements in these list views that these list dividers can be very, very useful. Now by default, these list dividers are themed with the B bar swatch theme. We talk a lot more about this in our themes unit, but I want to bring it up right here very briefly, just so it's familiar when we come to it later on. If I want to change the divider themes, I can actually apply a particular attribute to the entire UL. And that attribute is data divider theme equals, and I can choose A, B, C, D, or whatever theme I want. There's A, here's D, here's E. Now again, we cover themes in a lot more detail in another lesson. So if you want to go crazy with these themes, go ahead and take a look at that lesson before you go crazy with the themes. That way you'll understand how this works and in what context this works in. So that just about sums things up with list dividers.